Hi, my name is Anne. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about dandruff, what causes dandruff, how to get rid of dandruff using some simple home remedies, and how to maintain a clean and healthy scalp so that you don't get it back again. Dandruff is nothing but the white flakes that forms on the scalp of our head. Dandruff can be sometimes very annoying and very uncomfortable. It can make you feel embarrassed in front of people because there will be a lot of white flakes on your dress, especially if you're wearing dark clothes. They are highly visible. It can also cause itchiness on the head. It can cause pimples and acne on your face, especially the forehead area. First, let's see what causes dandruff. The first reason could be an oily scalp. தலைக்கு எண்ணெய் போட்டுட்டு அது ஒரு 2-3 days வாஷ் பண்ணாமல் அப்படியே வச்சுருக்கோன்னா there are chances for fungus, bacteria and other microbes to get attracted to that oil because they feed on that oil. And these microbes can start forming an infection on the scalp of the head. Second, poor scalp hygiene. Scalp நம்ம ஒழுங்கா maintain பண்ணல, ஒழுங்கா hair wash பண்ணல, dirty-ஆ இருக்கு, excess sweating ஆகுது, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் இருக்கும்போது dandruff form ஆக high chances உண்டு. Third one is a dry scalp. If you wash your hair too frequently, that is almost every single day, it can dry out the scalp of your head and it can form dandruff. Fourth one, using harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals in the form of shampoos, conditioners, hair masks, hair treatments that you get outside in different salons and other places. These can adversely affect your scalp health. It can dry out your scalp and start forming white flakes, also called dandruff. Another important reason for dandruff could be poor gut health. Gut is nothing but our intestines. If the intestines are not clean, it will show very clearly on the skin, on the hair, on your nails and also on your scalp. One of the most important things to take care of here is your gut health. Now let's see how to get rid of dandruff using a simple home remedy, a simple hair mask that you can make with ingredients that are easily available around you. நமக்கு dandruff வருதுன்னா first என்ன செய்வோம்? We go get an anti-dandruff shampoo and we apply it. Of course, you might see a little bit of results. But the problem here is most anti-dandruff shampoos will have a lot of harsh chemicals in them. These chemicals dry out your scalp and it will also affect the scalp adversely so that you will have other side effects like hair fall, hair thinning. They don't help you get rid of dandruff completely. வெளியே தெரிகிற symptoms மட்டும் தான் அதை ஹைட் பண்ணி கொடுக்கும். So it's better always to go for home remedies instead of choosing harsh chemicals on your skin or scalp. Any problem for that matter, whatever it is, if it is starting, if it is something that is starting in the beginning stage, please go for home remedies before you run to a doctor, before you run and get pills and medicines which are not even necessary. In most cases, it's not necessary. So try out certain home remedies that you know and then go for other treatments unless it's an emergency or a complicated situation. So let's see how to make this anti-dandruff homemade hair mask using simple ingredients available around you. This will not only help you get rid of dandruff, it will also nourish your hair. After using it, every single time you will feel that your hair has become so soft and shiny and smooth. So after using this, you won't even need a conditioner because the ingredients themselves act as a conditioner and it will make your hair soft and smooth. The first thing you need is a handful of neem leaves. Neem leaves are naturally antifungal, antiseptic, antibacterial. They reduce the itching and the irritation that is there on the scalp. The second ingredient you need is fenugreek seeds. Vendiyam, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. You need to soak the fenugreek seeds overnight. Please soak it overnight. Use it in the morning. Or just soak it for 5 to 6 hours. Fenugreek is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It will reduce the dryness, the itchiness and the flakiness in the scalp. It reduces hair fall. It promotes hair growth and it makes your hair smooth and soft. Also, it nourishes your hair from the roots. The next thing we need is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid. It fights dandruff, it is rich in antioxidants, it is antifungal, and it removes the dryness, the dead skins and the itchiness from the scalp. The next ingredient we need is 3 tablespoons of curd. Curd is a natural conditioner. It is rich in proteins, fats, it moisturizes the hair, it also nourishes your hair and removes dryness. The last ingredient we need is Bringraj oil. Bringraj oil is highly antifungal and it is very effective on dandruff treatment. If you don't have Bringraj oil right now, you can substitute it with coconut oil, but you can get it online easily on Amazon. So these are the 5 main ingredients we need to make this hair mask. You can increase or decrease the quantities according to your requirement. The quantities I have told you will be sufficient for 2 people or 2 uses. Now all that you have to do is grind all the ingredients into a smooth paste and apply it on your hair. Leave it for 30 minutes, then wash it off with a mild shampoo. So apply this hair mask at least once in a week, preferably twice a week, and wash it off with a mild shampoo after 30 minutes like I told you. Keep repeating the process consistently till you get rid of dandruff. This is much better than any anti-dandruff shampoo or any treatment that you can get outside. They may have side effects, but this is natural and safe and anybody can use it. So we have seen how to get rid of dandruff using this hair mask. Next we'll see how to maintain your hair clean and healthy so you don't get it back again, or if you don't have dandruff already, you don't get it at all. First, get into the habit of oiling your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Use Bringraj oil. This is the most effective oil for dandruff. It also nourishes your hair. It also helps in hair growth. So it's generally a good hair oil. You can try Bringraj oil once. Massage your scalp with this oil for around 5 minutes and also apply it on your hair. Leave it on for around 1 hour and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. The next thing you can do is hair pulling. Just pull your hair with slight pressure. What it does is it increases the blood circulation in that area and it'll keep your scalp healthy. Another habit you can inculcate is back combing, that is combing your hair from behind to forward. It must be easier for guys. For girls it might be a little bit of a struggle, but if you can manage and do it often, it again increases your blood circulation. It is very good for your scalp. It will keep your scalp healthy. I cannot close this video without saying this. The most important thing is eating healthy and drinking plenty of water. Remember, I told you your gut health matters. If your gut is not clean, it is going to manifest on the outside everywhere, even on the scalp. So make sure you eat a lot of healthy food like fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds. Please limit the usage of packaged food and food that is bought from outside. These are very simple things to follow, and usually when things are simple to follow, we take it for granted. We think it's not going to make much of a difference, but trust me, please try it out. It will make a huge difference. You will see the difference even in a month's time, but do not quit on it. Keep doing it consistently. Consistency is the key here. Please do it consistently and you will see beautiful results very soon. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Oh, so hot. Hair mask has very easily available ingredients that you can get around you easily and rehearse. So let's see how to make this anti-dandruff hair mask. That's it.